Michelle Brackett. I'm from Santa Clarita, California. It's hereditary. My mom lost much of her hair in her late 60s, early 70s, and so we're kind of following that same pattern. I waited. You try lots of things, you try different products. Really just 6 months ago, I started really researching toppers and got on the internet and found Jon Renau and found a salon in my area that had them and just popped in one day and she put it on my hair and I went to work. It was that easy, and I really haven't worn my hair the same since. I'm thrilled. I mean, it's just, to touch it, it feels like 1,000 times better than my hair, but I mean, it feels like it's mine.
I'm doing great. This is so much fun. Yeah.
This is my first time I've had bonding, and yes, I definitely would. I mean, it's just something you don't have to think about. You wake up in the morning, you have great hair, you go to bed at night, you have great hair, and it's just effortless. Like, there's no thought to it. So I would recommend bonding. I just think it's a great alternative, and not many people know about it, so I'm excited to get out there and share. There's so many steps, and it was just eye-opening to the process and how much education goes into it, so that I feel confident knowing that the product I have is something that I'm going to have for a while. It's going to be easy to care for, and I just feel like it looks more natural. But with the bonding, I just feel like the security. I live in Santa Clarita Valley, and it's pretty windy out there, and sometimes I would be like, put my head down, or, for the toppers. I don't feel like I'm going to have to do that.